Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 3 of this Insta SVG. I wasn't going to do any more until I learned more, but I thought I want to see what it does on Clipart. And I'm pretty good at manipulating this in Clipart inside Corel Draw, but for the people that aren't. So here's some Clipart that's pretty blurry. So I just took it through. I'm not going to go to, well, I'll go to the website, and I just did it under engraving, and I saved it as SVG, and then I imported it as it went to the downloads. There it is right there. I'm just going to import it. Now it does have white background, but this is pretty easy to manipulate. So I thought I'd just show how. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our image and go up to Object and Group and Ungroup, and we're going to take away the white. Now it's got white in the middle, and on this particular image, you can't take the white away because there's a black background. So, but what we can do is we can select it all in left click, no fill, right click outline. And then most of the stuff is interconnected. So all you have to do is take your, and I think this would work on any clip art, most of the flower is connected. So I'm just going to fill it with black. Now there's a little bit missing, like right there. And you could go in and fill all those in, but then we could just move this out of the way, and you have a detailed clip art in vector format. I mean, sharp as a tack. And you could do a little more work on it, but you wouldn't really have to. So I'm not, like I said in the first 2 videos, I'm not promoting it. I like telling my subscribers and viewers what's out there. And I'll put the link to and if you didn't watch part 1 or 2 where we took that dog and did that and that. Pretty incredible. Anyway, I'll put the website at the bottom of the video. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.